that is it for this video. I think this is the first video in about 4 weeks. I think it's like 31 or 32 days since I last uploaded a video, so it has been a long time, and I didn't paint for about 6 weeks, but yeah, it's nice to be back painting. I painted for the last 2 weekends in a row, which was cool. The spring sunshine is here, so obviously that means we need to get outside and paint. So, right, I've got negatives and positives listed down for this wall that I've just painted in this video. So, negatives, it's kind of related to doodle grid and scaling, and also being inexperienced with characters. It all kind of ties in together. So the hands for the character, they're just a bit of a mess. I redid them like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, basically I screwed up the doodle grid. What I've learned with the doodle grid is you kind of need to get it right first time, or very close to, because yeah, once you go off track and it's like you covered up the doodle grid with paint, it's kind of like you're screwed, and you kind of have to do it all from fresh, and then you won't get the scaling right when you do the app, the overlay thing. But anyway, I won't go into any more details on that. The face, also screwed up that, and again related to doodle grid and scaling, etc. So I screwed that up and I had to redo that like 3 or 4 times, which wasn't fun. The letters as well, they're kind of cool. Yeah, they kind of, they have a very old school feel to me. I don't know why. I think it's the black shading I put underneath it. Kind of gives it an old school feel, and like the colours as well. But anyway, it was all cool, all tied in together. Also the colours, sorry, I forgot the colours on the cityscape. They weren't quite right, but anyway, it was still nice. Right, positives. I learned a lot, and I learned a lot about the scaling and the doodle grid, as previously mentioned. And yeah, it was cool to do a character, because I always say I should do more characters and stuff like that, but I never do. But anyway, on that note, I will stop rambling. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment. Give this video a thumbs up, because that'd be really good, and watch one of my other videos somewhere here and subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.